Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to our science lesson today. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, staying safe. Okay, today we are going to revise chapter 6 materials. If we look around us, there are so many things, right? There are animals, there are trees, there are TV, there are furnitures, etc., etc., right? Table, chair, books. Okay. So, among them, some of the things are very big. Like here, see, building. Building is very big. Mountains are big. Sea is wide and big, limitless, right? Bridge. See, it's a picture of a bridge. See, these are big, large. These are so heavy. Can you carry a bridge or a mountain or a building? No, these are heavy. These are big. And some things are small, like this cup, plate, bowls. These are small, right? These books, pencils, erasers. These are small, little pearls, jewels. Then see rice, every particle of rice. See, all these are small things. These are light. We can carry them. This is not a big matter, right? So, all these things are divided into two parts. One is living things, another is non living things. Living things and non living things. What are living things? Animals and plants are living things. Okay, see this monkey, birds, turtles, trees, plants, dog, human, all are living things. Living things are alive, they have life. Living things breathe, right? We breathe. Breathe in, breathe out. So living things breathe. Living things can move. Living things eat. If we don't eat, we will die. And living things grow, right? Living things grow. They are little baby initially, but gradually they become big man or big woman, and then later they become old, and there is a time when they die, right? Living things have babies, right? Dogs babies are called puppies. Human have babies. See, there are babies. So living things have babies. That means living things are alive. Living things can breathe, move, eat and grow. Living things have babies. On the other hand, see non-living things. This bike, furniture, comb, socks, toys like dolls, cars. These are non-living things. They are not alive. They cannot move on their own. See, we know that bike, car, they can move, but they cannot move on their own. If you make it, then it can move with your help, right? They do not eat, grow, or breathe. Does these things eat? Does these things grow or breathe? If does your furniture grow little initially, and one time they become big, or like this, or can your doll breathe? No, they do not eat, grow, or breathe. They do not have babies. Non-living things do not have babies. Okay. These non-living things are of two types. One is natural things and one is man-made things. Natural things are made by nature, right? See here, this is the big sea. We can see big mountains. Okay, this sky, mountain, sea, water. All these are natural thing. See, there are jewels and different kind of stones. These are natural things. Pearls, they are natural. Rice, pulses, vegetables, these all are natural things because nature made them. It is not made by man. And second is man-made things. Man-made things are made by man, like buildings, bridges, this plate, cup, bowl, books, pencils, erasers, all these things are made by man. Okay, so students, what we learned today? we learned today that there are so many things around us. Among them, some are living, some are non-living. Living things can breathe, eat, grow, and they can have babies like human and plants. And non-living things, they are not alive. They cannot move, eat, grow, or breathe, and they cannot have babies. And there are another two kind of things, that is natural thing and man-made thing. Natural things are made by nature and man-made things are made by man. Natural things are mountains, sky, sea, stones, rocks, pearls, food like rice and other things. And man-made things are building, then bridges, then plate, cups, bowls, pencil, eraser, books, all these are man-made things. Okay, so students, today after you finish the lesson, your task is, please go through the science textbook page 41 and 42. You have to go through that two page, and then I have posted online quiz in the assignment. You have to take part in that assignment. When you doing the that's online quiz. So when you are doing the quiz, remember that you can only take part in that quiz only once. And after you have submitted your quiz, please turn in your assignment or mark as done. Okay, thank you students. Bye bye.